Yes, we eat doves, and they are delicious.
Yo, you got it! I seen it in the garage. Sunt trebuie, mă. Asta e vaxă. Is it pallet?
Well, as you can see here, I think that pellet made a clean pass through. Nice. Anyway, now the bluebirds and the robins and birds of that kind can safely make their nest in the spring and not have to worry about sparrows or starlings robbing them, making nests in the same homes that they want to, and just stuff like that. Then that's why I do this pest control like this. It helps definitely around the farm. We'll see more bluebirds in the spring, more robins, if we kind of keep the population down of the starlings and sparrows. And plus, it's a lot of fun. So, and the bluebirds will come back in the spring, and we will have many happy years on the farm. But hey, I can't tell you guys enough. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if this is something that you like to see, and go check out my other videos on my channel. I appreciate it, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.